Next, I'm going to describe how to attach and remove the personal item bag. You will note when you remove the personal item bag, it has plastic clips which go over the seat rail extensions on the front of the UPWalker. They are located right in front of the seat on the tubes. With the UPWalker logo side of the bag facing toward the front, slide the clips over the right and left seat rail extensions until you hear a clicking securing the unit. To remove the personal item bag, it is better to have the unit in a partial folded position where you can reach your fingers underneath the plastic clips and pull them, prying them off of the tube on the left and right hand side. From here you can hold your personal item bag with the straps that are provided with it. You will also notice that the personal item bag has vents in the back so that you may put a portable oxygen concentrator inside as well.